Let's shadow some simple English sentences. To shadow is to repeat. I'm blue and you're red. Hello? How are you? I'm a little tired. I didn't sleep much last night. The upstairs neighbor had loud music playing all night long. Yes, he had company. I know. Who has a party on a Tuesday night? Seriously, the music was so loud. It was so disrespectful. No, I was too tired to do anything about it. I put a pillow over my head and I tried to fall asleep. I know. I really need my sleep. I get crabby when I don't. Yeah, I think I will. I have to. Hopefully, tonight will be quiet. Anyways, how was your weekend? No way. You have loud neighbors too? Nice. Where did you go? You always ask me what's the most important part of learning English is. For me, language is meant for communication. So, practicing real life situations is much more important than just learning from textbooks. Let me tell you the story about what happened to me at the airport in Brazil. I had studied some Portuguese before, and I felt confident that I could speak in Brazil. And I felt confident with the vocabulary that I knew. So when I arrived at the airport and I realized my phone didn't have any battery, I couldn't order an Uber to my hostel, but it was okay. I would just order a taxi. So I went up to a taxi driver and I froze. I knew each word individually, but forming a full sentence, I felt like a failure. All those hours of studying to waste. I couldn't even ask for a taxi. I realized then just how important it is to learn a language for real conversations, not just textbook learning. If you're learning English and often feel stuck in real life conversations, I completely understand. That's why I want to share an English learning app that focuses on real life situations so you won't freeze when you speak. Spokzi can help you practice these real life situations. There's a learning roadmap based on real life situations like travel or daily conversations.
Pay attention to how I pronounce the word reservation.
Reservation.
Yes, I have a reservation.
Yes, I have a reservation. I have a reservation. I'd like to check in. Yes. I need to practice these situations I find myself in when traveling. And Spokzi has just that. Now, let's practice open-ended conversations with Spokzi's AI free talk feature. I like going out with my friends and doing crafts.
What kind of crafts do you like to make?
I paint and make candles.
What colors do you like to use the most when you paint?
I like both colors and acuarela. See how it detects my mistakes and suggests natural expressions? I can also check the translation if I need to. I think human bodies. I think painting human bodies is the hardest. Now I can practice speaking confidently every day. I'll leave the link to Spokzi in the description and my bio. Check it out. Nice. Where did you go? That sounds fun. Was it crowded? Good. I hate it when it's packed. What did you guys do there? Sounds nice. What did you bring along for the picnic? I love that. Simple, but perfect. Was the weather nice? Lucky you. It was freezing last night. I opened the window to get fresh air and a break from the noise upstairs. Not really, but at least I tried. Exactly. So, did you stay out late at the beach? Yeah, not too late. That's responsible. Good thinking. Mondays can be rough. Did you take any pictures? Send them to me so I can see. I'm so jealous. I love sunsets. I know. I should. I will. Exactly. No more loud neighbors for us. Honestly, weekends go by so fast. It does. But at least you had a good time. That's what matters. So, what are you going to do next weekend? Oh, nice. Are you going to stay long? That sounds lovely. Are you going to drive there? Smart choice. Are you gonna do anything special with them? Remember, native speakers say gonna instead of going to. Gonna. What are you gonna have for dinner? Nice. Sounds lovely. Home cooked? Even better. Are you gonna relax too? Good idea. I need to relax too after the whole loud neighbor situation. Are you gonna see any friends while you're there? Nice. It's always good to catch up with friends. How long has it been since you saw them last? It's hard to find time to see friends. I agree. I love weekends like that. Simple and calm. I'm probably staying home next weekend. I need to stay home and organize my life and be productive. I've been slacking lately. Exactly. I procrastinate a lot. I know, not very exciting, but necessary. I'm also going to meal prep for the week, which sounds boring, but to me, it's very exciting. I'm trying to be better this year. Yeah, it'll be a productive weekend. Fingers crossed. This was shadowing practice for beginners. Thank you for talking to me today. And if you liked this video, you'll probably like these two I made especially for you. See you next week.